How's it going, everybody? Learning as I grow here. I'm back for the beginning of a new grow series. I had some company over while making this, so I'm just going to do a little voiceover on this first part of this. So you can see me unboxing the Mars Hydro TS1000. There's just your yo-yo hangers and a connecting cable to daisy chain. And the wire hangers, the rest of the cord to plug in to the wall. I really do like the white on this light, the smooth, and it'll be nice and easy to clean. And it's, like I said, the TS1000 at max power it pulls 150 watts. So it's pretty decent little light. You just gotta, there's some alright weight to it. Not gonna break your tent, but it doesn't feel flimsy. I had to tighten down the screws on that little plate. They arrived loose, but that could have been vibration from shipping. And it says it's an LG LED driver on there, so that's pretty cool. And we'll get back to it in the tent. Alright, now that we got the good old Mars Hydro TS1000, which I'm loving the new white color. Looks a lot classier and nicer and cleaner than the silver stamp aluminum ones that they had. Only thing I can think of, which I'll probably end up doing, is taking this tray and giving it a 180 so these ugly wires aren't popping out right at the logo. Other than that, it's not that big of a deal, really. Guess here goes nothing. Dun, 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 dun. Well, so far so good. That's pretty bright. It's all the way up. Pretty sure the book said it'll do a 3x3. And this is a 2.5 by 2.5, so that'll be quite ideal for flower. And give it a few minutes, and I'm gonna go out and feel my wires on my breaker box. I'm gonna go turn this inline fan on. That's also a 4-inch Mars Hydro. Adjustable inline fan. Alright. So far so good. I definitely won't need this on 100% right now. I like how it has a nice click to go off. It actually goes off. It can be kind of finicky sometimes. I noticed this says LG on the driver now, where the older ones didn't, so that's a good sign. But yeah, well, I guess that'll be our unboxing video. And if all goes well, either later today or tomorrow, I'll throw some plants in here and get a grow series going. Thanks, everybody. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one.